Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and today we're going to show you just an original out west 70 K10. There you can see a little rust on the bottom of that fender. That always happens from the battery boxes. This truck isn't very rusty, but it isn't very straight either, so going to need a lot of parts. But it is a 70 Chevy K10 four-wheel drive with air, so got what you need. Gonna need some rockers. Doors probably usable. I have to weld some holes up because they put multiple mirrors on it. That's your original interior color. They put a blue seat in it at some time. Probably this seat ain't even for one of these, so it doesn't have the original seat. There you can see the rocker work you're gonna need. You put new carpet in. Gonna need a steering wheel, gonna need a dash pad, which them are cheap. But there you can see the original AC controllers, original radio. But this is definitely a project truck, runs and drives. And like I said, pretty solid truck for the most part. Just obviously, I don't know, like here you're probably gonna need a box side, because the box side and then that side's pretty tough shape. Tailgate bent up, and then this box side, same deal. So, you know, definitely gonna need some work, but like I said, 70 K10 four-wheel drive with air. So if you're looking for a project this winter, definitely got something pretty solid to start, and it runs good. Still has the a lot of these don't have them on there anymore. Still got all the info on there and what the options are. There's your AC vents. Said you have to get new door panels, and like I said, need some rocker work over on this side too. So if you're looking for a project for this winter, here's a 70 K10 you can start on, and maybe by next summer you'll have a truck ready to go. Any questions, give me a call, 605-695-7391.